Hello guys, today I want to ask a very important question. What type of CEO are you? Are you a CEO that means a chief executive officer or a CEO that is chief everything officer? Actually, most of the CEOs of the specifically that small business companies or the mid-sized business companies are engaged day and night to solving the burning business problems. They are not working on the causes why the fire is there. So long you are busy to resolve the fire, their business is not growing. You have to work on the system. Guys, the business is run by the system, not by the human being. Initially, when a business is small, you think you can do everything, but it is not the fact. You have to implement a system, you have to develop a system which system can run your business in the big way. How a person can support individually to grow a business, not possible. Small business can run, a shop can run, even a shop cannot run. If the shop is big one, you need to impart a system, you develop a system, then only you will be a chief executive officer. Until unless you're not doing the same, you are the chief everything officer, you can't grow. But the question is that how will complete a journey of CEO, of Chief Executive Officer to, Chief Everything Officer to Chief Executive Officer, right? For that, we have joined hands with one of the most respected and most reputed business coach, Dr. Vivek Vindra. He has launched a course, Everything About Entrepreneurship. This is a complete business management course which which gives you the path, to give the foundation how you can implement and develop a system for your company. So, guys, if you really want to grow from chief everything officer to chief executive officer, you need to learn fast. Guys, if there's no earning until there's good learning. So you have to learn fast. Learning is important for earning. All the big businessmen of the world are putting their best effort to learn every day something, and that is the reason they are growing like big. So, guys, if you think if when your business will go up, then start developing a system, it will not work. When we develop the system very first day of the company in our organization, the business start growing. So you have to initiate the system building, understand how to build the system, what type of system will help you to grow your business. This is very much important. So guys, enroll yourself in the course of Everything About Entrepreneurship with Dr. Vivek Vindra. Call the number below and we'll let you know how to get the yourself enrolled in the course. And any question related to your any business, you can always discuss. We'll give you what is the best possible solution for that. Thank you guys. Thank you. Wish you all the best.